Professor Lars Bode from the Larsen-Rosenquist Foundation, Mother Milk Infant Center of Research Excellence, USA, was interviewed during the 90th Nestlé Nutrition Institute workshop, which was held in Lausanne, Switzerland, in March 2018. During this interview, Professor Bode highlighted the key aspects of his talk on HMOs, their next-generation functions and questions. There is plenitude of research suggesting that HMOs have structure-specific direct and indirect effects on infants. Talking about the indirect effects, Professor Bode underlined that HMOs are the first prebiotics to which infants are exposed. These HMOs start shaping the infant's gut microbiota. Through these beneficial microbial communities and their metabolites, HMOs confer indirect benefits to the infant. However, as Professor Bode mentioned, HMOs are not just food for bugs. They also have bacteriostatic, bactericidal, antimicrobial, and anti-adhesive properties, and hence are able to protect from various pathogens. The direct effects of HMOs, which are independent of microbial communities, include epithelial cell programming and their local or systemic effects on the immune cells. Talking about the possible role of HMOs in preventing necrotizing enterocolitis, or NEC, Professor Bode pointed out that infants fed with human breast milk are at a lower risk of developing NEC. He discussed the preclinical work of his team, where they were able to show that HMOs do have a role in preventing NEC. To better understand whether a mix of HMOs or a specific one is responsible for this effect, his team conducted further research. Their work suggested that the HMO DSLNT was one such HMO which conferred preventive effects in an animal model. To investigate whether the HMO DSLNT could have similar preventive benefits in infants, Professor Bode and his team also conducted a clinical study in a cohort of very low birth weight infants. A key finding of this study was that lower levels of DSLNT in human breast milk was associated with NEC development in these premature infants. In conclusion, Professor Bode suggests that both the preclinical and clinical studies point towards a preventive role of HMOs, especially DSLNT, in the development of NEC.